Magsisend mo na naman tayo. Ayaw pumasok sa school na yan, oh. Ay, tigas ng ulo. Kyler dyan, you need to listen to mommy. You need to wear your uniform. You need to go to school. Stand up. Huh? Stand up, I said, Kyler. Tingnan mo, nag-uusap tayo. Nag-uusap tayo, anak. Pag nag-school ka, di ba sabi ni mami, if you go to school, you have stars, you have a rewards. Mag-listen ka. Wear your uniform na. Stand up na dyan. Stand up. Kyler. Stand up. Papunch kita. Stand up, dalian mo. Dali, stand up. Ba't ba ayaw mo mag-school? Why you don't like go to school? Why? Stand up. Ay, nag-uusap tayong dalawa, Kyler. Huwag mo tatawanan si mami, nag-uusap tayo, stand up. Ay, you're not listening talaga, ha? Asan kaya yung pamalo ni mami? You're not listening, eh. Ay, nako guys, tinutulog-tulugan na ako. Ang hirap talaga. Pasunurin ng batang to. Ayaw doon niya mag-school. Ayun na. Pahiga-higa na lang siya. Ay, nakaka-stress.